In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reCAPTCHA to Shopify. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to cut down on spam and bot submissions, especially on your contact and custom forms, using a trusted app from the Shopify App Store. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and open the Apps section. This is where we'll find and add the tool that enables reCAPTCHA protection on your storefront forms. In the Apps area, place your cursor in the search field and type reCAPTCHA. When you see the option to search the Shopify App Store, go ahead and open it. This takes you out to the full catalog so we can pick a solution that's well supported and easy to maintain. Once the App Store search results load, apply the Built for Shopify filter. This is an important quality check. Apps with this badge meet Shopify's highest standards for performance, security, and user experience, which helps ensure smoother installation and fewer conflicts with your theme. From the filtered results, select the app named Powerful Contact Form Builder. This app offers form creation features and integrates reCAPTCHA, making it a solid choice if you need to protect contact, inquiry, or custom forms without touching code. Click Install to begin. You'll be redirected back to your Shopify admin to review permissions. Confirm by clicking Install again. These permissions allow the app to create and display forms in your store, which is necessary for reCAPTCHA to function on those forms. After installation, you may see an onboarding prompt or a welcome pop-up. Simply close it to proceed to the app's dashboard. When you're asked to choose a plan, select Continue as free. If you're prompted once more, confirm Continue as free again. The free plan is a great way to start. Test the integration and verify that reCAPTCHA is working as expected before you consider any upgrades. Inside the app, head to your Forms area and choose Create New Form. This opens the builder where you'll set up the form that will use reCAPTCHA. The app's interface will guide you through enabling spam protection for your form, and it typically includes a straightforward toggle or element for reCAPTCHA, so you don't have to manage any code manually. That's it. You've installed a vetted app, selected a free plan, and opened the form builder where reCAPTCHA protection can be applied to your forms. Follow the on-screen prompts in the builder to find